Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of TikTok monetization for 2025. With nearly a billion active users, TikTok is a goldmine for content creators looking to turn their passion into profit. If you're ready to learn how to monetize your TikTok account effectively, stick around. To kick things off, you need to meet some eligibility criteria. First, ensure you have at least 10,000 followers and a specific numbers of views on your videos within the last 30 days. This is crucial for joining TikTok's Creators Fund, which pays you based on your video's views. Remember, only views longer than 5 seconds and from certain regions count towards your earnings. Once you're eligible, it's time to explore various monetization methods. Credit or Creators Fund. Earn money directly from TikTok based on your views. Brand collaborations. Partner with brands that align with your content. The more followers you have, the more effective you become to potential sponsors. Subscription. Offer exclusive content through a subscription model, allowing fans to support you monthly in exchange of perks like badges and subscribe-only live streams. Live gifts. Go live and receive gifts from viewers as a form of appreciation. Engagement is key. Create a high-quality, entertaining videos that resonate with your audience. Use trending sounds and challenges to boost visibility. The more engaging your content, the better your chances of gaining followers and increasing your earnings. In conclusion, monetize your TikTok account in 2025 is all about understanding the platform's feature and knowing your audience. By meeting eligibility requirements and actively engaging with your follower, you can unlock multiple revenue streams. So get started today. Create compelling content, connect with brands, and watch your earnings grow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and navigations the digital landscape. See you in the next time. Thank you.